marking is an embroidery technique for which we will be requiring fabric. We generally use satin fabric where one side you have a shine and other side you have a rough surface. Then we will be using matching thread, needle and a white pencil for marking. Let's start marking. You have to mark at interval of 1 inch. So from all 4 sides you can mark lines and then gradually you can start marking. Basic marking is done, you need to start marking for your embroidery stitches. So you just get your fabric near you, okay, and start marking. Start marking here. Consider this is your first line, this is your second line, this is your third line. Okay, so this is first, second and third, where you have to begin from the second line. Come down here and consider this is your starting point. Okay, from here you will go to left hand side. Okay, you will come back, you will go down here again and you will mark on the right hand side, and you will just continue marking the same way I'm doing it. Okay, so alternate, just go on marking diagonal line for your reference so that you will not get disturbed or you will not get confused like from where to start and where to end. Okay, this way you can go on continue till the end like this. Just a simple diagonal marking. Okay, once this is done, if you want to continue, consider this is your third line, consider this as your first, then second and third. Again, starting will remain same. Second point is your starting. From here again you will go on the left hand side same way like we have done it for the first row. Then you will continue on the right hand side, left hand side, right, left, right. This way you will just continue marking for the rest of your fabric. Just a simple diagonal line, that's it. Again for here, again you can just go on marking. Consider third line as your first line, mark second line and third. Again second point is your starting point. Go towards left, come down, right, come down, left, come down, right, come down, left. This way you can go on continue and you can complete your marking before you start making embroidery. Once your embroidery marking is done, take your needle and thread, okay, and start marking. Here, from the starting point, you just have to take 1 or 2 threads, come up, go towards left hand side, take 1 or 2 threads from here, take this fabric, slowly pass your needle from this point take 1 or 2 turns and take your needle gradually out. Make sure knotting will not happen, and gradually take your needle out. As per the marking, just follow the lines. Take base fabric, take 1 or 2 yarns. Gather this material, join this point to this. Pass your needle from here. Take 1 or 2 turns and take your needle out. Now after this fold, come down to this point. Left hand side, take 1 or 2 yarn again. So as you see here, this is the wrong side, and when you turn, this is how you will be getting on the right hand side. So you just have to continue, follow all the marking and complete your embroidery. Okay, take second thread and you can start. As per the marking, you know from where to start. So just take base 1 or 2 yarn from the base fabric. As per the line, it is saying go towards left, so again go towards left, take 1 or 2 yarns, take your needle out, take this fabric closer, take this point closer to first point, pass your needle from folded lines, take 1 or 2 turns and take your needle out. Gradually take it out, avoid knotting. Once this is done, come down, and as per the marking, it is saying go towards right hand side, take 1 or 2 yarns from the base material, take this point closer to this point, just gradually pull this fabric slowly. Okay, you will see this 2 fold lines, just pass your needle from this. Okay, take 1, 2, 3 turns. Okay, slowly, gradually take your needle out, avoid knotting. Okay, again go down and continue. While working, you feel like your thread is ending. Okay, just follow this step. Okay, take diagonal lines, take that together and knot it here, regular knot. Okay, and after this, take your needle out and cut your thread here. Take another thread and start working from this point. So we were here. Okay, so you can just begin. Take this thread, and continue the way you were doing. So as you can see here, this is the wrong side of our smocking embroidery and this is the right side.